Hi, my name is Urvi and I'd like to share my experience with Fire of the Goddess. The first time I did Fire of the Goddess, I was extremely inquisitive to know how this is going to work, what this program is going to entail. But I think like Sneha has planned this program so well um, that I would just like to say that it just takes you on this beautiful journey altogether where you just start getting to know yourself better day by day. And in those 5 days, I felt like I've not only been able to understand myself better, but it's also helped me strengthen my bond with Kali Ma. And Goddess Kali has always terrified me in some way because, whenever I would look at her pictures, even as a child, I would always wonder as to how, you know, one can connect with her. But it's through this program that you actually understand that she's this gentle mother who's ready to just embrace you for who you are without any judgments and hold you and make you go through life and life's ups and downs in a very smooth way. So you basically learn how to deal with situations which may be out of your hand, dealing with uncertainty and just taking on life's challenges in a very easy way. That was my first time with Fire of the Goddess, and I loved it so much that I also did it again because I felt like the second time that I did it, it was a totally different journey altogether. It helped me boost my self confidence and put myself out there in the world to like put out my talents, put out my work hard towards what I'm doing with all my heart and soul without any level of self doubt. And of course, what made it better was I met a group of beautiful, empowering women as well who were going through their own journeys. And I think together it was a perfect amalgamation of beautiful, like minded women coming together, strong women as well, and all of us helping and uplifting each other through the journey. And also, after the journey is over, sharing things about our lives together and giving this community sort of a feeling which I always wanted. So I'm extremely grateful to Unalome and Sneha for this beautiful program, and I would really recommend it to any of you who are interested in getting to know yourself better, and also if you want to strengthen your bond with Goddess Kali, because I think she is just beautiful. There are no words to describe her. So yes, thank you so much, and I can't wait to do FOTG again. Lots of love. Bye.